Hello students, welcome to our channel. As we all know, both WBBSE and CBSE board published their 10th board exam results of this year on July 15th, and we have seen an increase in pass percentage and hike in the marks of the rank holders, which is a bold sign of the promising future of our country. In this video, I will discuss the WBBSE and CBSE 10th board exam results of 2020 in brief. So let's start with WBBSE first. The WBBSE or West Bengal Board of Secondary Education conducted the class 10th exam from February 18 to 27. Over 10.15 lakh students have taken the class 10 West Bengal Madhyamik exam this year. Over 5.7 lakh students are girls. Due to the coronavirus outbreak, students do not have to come to school and collect their mark sheets this year. Instead, their parents would have to come to school with the students' admit cards and registration certificate to collect their mark sheets. This year, a total of 10.03 lakh students had appeared for the West Bengal 10th board exams, out of which 8.43 lakh have passed the WBBSE Class 10 exams this year. A total of 86.34% students have passed the exams, and according to WBBSE officials, this is the highest ever pass percentage till now. This year, boys outshined girls in WBBSE Madhyamik results. A total of 89.87% boys have cleared the exam as against 83.48% of girls. East Midnapur has performed the best among all districts of West Bengal, followed by West Midnapur and Kolkata. The highest pass percentage in the Class 10 board results has been registered by the East Midnapur district, where 96.59% of students have passed the exam. West Midnapur has recorded pass percentage of 92.16%, emerging as the second best performing district after East Midnapur. Kolkata registered a pass percentage with 91.07%. The result is being declared after 139 days of exam. Aurithro Pal has bagged first rank in the state in his class 10th exam. He got 694 out of 700, that is 99.14%. He is from Memari Vidyasagar Memorial School. Sayantan Godai and Ovik Das scored 693 out of 700 to bag second position, while Soumya Pathak, Debosmita Mohapatra and Aurithro Maiti scored 690 out of 700 to bag the third rank. A total of 84 students have managed to get into the top 10 list of West Bengal Madhyamik Result 2020. The students who are ranked 10th got 683 out of 700 in Madhyamik result this year. West Bengal Education Minister Partho Chatterjee on Wednesday took to Twitter to congratulate the Madhyamik or Class 10 students for successfully clearing the WBB examinations. So now let's talk about the CBSE board exam results. The CBSE board did not announce any merit list this year in view of the exceptional circumstances amid the COVID-19 pandemic. A total of 18.86 lakh students were registered for CBSE 10th exam this year, out of which 18.73 lakh appeared for the board exam. A total of 17.13 lakh students have cleared the CBSE class 10th exam. This year, over 1.84 lakh students have scored above 90%, while more than 41,000 students scored above 95% marks. CBSE Class 10 pass percentage increased by 0.36% since last year, as 91.46% students passed Class 10 exam this year. Girls outshined boys in CBSE Class 10 exams, a record 3.17% higher pass percentage than boys this year. Kerala's Trivandrum region records highest pass percentage of 99.28, while Guwahati region records lowest at 79.12%. Thiruvananthapuram got the first place in the Class 10 results. Meanwhile, Chennai is in second position, as Bengaluru and Pune are on third and fourth position respectively. Delhi ranks 14 and 15 in the 10th board exams. This time Delhi has two zones. In Delhi West, 85.96% students have passed the Class 10 examination, while in Delhi East, 85.79% students passed. Ananya Singh, studying at Jawahar Vidya Mandir or JVM in Syamali, Ranchi, has scored 100 each in mathematics and social sciences and 97 in both English and Hindi and 98 in computer science. So these were the board exam results summary of this year. If this video seems to be informative to you, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to click on the bell icon to never miss further updates. Thanks for watching.